it's Julie the Whippy Chick here, and I'm not in my car, as you can see. There's a very good reason for it, and that reason is this. I hate driving in the snow. Some of you already know that. I hate it, hate it, hate it. It terrifies me. And it was pretty crummy weather this morning, so my husband said he would drive me to work because it doesn't seem to bother him at all. And I let him drive me to work, and it was wonderful. So I had a little chauffeur this morning and this afternoon coming home, which was really nice, especially coming home because I was so tired. I started to fall asleep in the car. Oh, that was really nice. Busy days at work, which is a good thing because it makes the day go by fast and makes the weeks go by fast and you get closer to spring faster. But it is tiring. Oh, it's so tiring. So, yeah, that's about all that's been going on for me this lovely Tuesday. Snowy Tuesday. Let's see, what else do I have? I have a few things I can show you. One of them is I'm wearing it. I'll stand up so you can see it a little better. There's a little tassel in the back. It's just a little like shawl type thing that I kind of created. Try to see if you can see all of it. I loved working with this yarn. Loved working with this yarn. I believe it's called Sidar. I think it's Sidar. I have the hardest time pronouncing words when I don't know what they're supposed to sound like. I'm trying to find the tag in my bag. Find the tag in my bag. I don't think it's in this bag. I think it's in the Emmy bag, actually. But at any rate, it's S-I-D-A-R, and it's 100% acrylic. It is so soft, and I just love the colors, and it was really a quick make because I used kind of a bigger hook. The hook size was a 7. I used a 7, and it went pretty quick. And I'm holding it together with my little pin here. My shawl pin, I think they call it. Anyway, I love it. I love it because it's not so long, like it's not so long in the arms that I can't move freely, but it covers my shoulders, and all day long it just kept me so toasty. I loved it. So wear it all day and I don't want to take it off. So yeah, what do you think? Is it something you'd like to learn how to make? Let me know. It's definitely a project where you let the yarn do the work, because I just let the beautiful colors of this yarn do all the work for me. I love it. So that was project number 1. I've been pretty productive. I finally finished the hat. This little girl's hat has taken me forever, and it shouldn't have, but it did. So they're sisters. I have 2 great nieces, and one of them is a little bit smaller than the other. So the older sister has a bigger hat. But yeah, it's February. I should have finished this a long time ago, but I finally finished the hats. So those will be going on some cute little beans. Shortly. Hopefully they fit them. Hopefully they didn't grow too much while it took me forever to make their hats. So that is project number 2 completed. Want to know a secret? I don't have any whips. No whips. I don't have any whips. I'm so excited. This is project number 3, and it's just a simple headband that I put a little flower on. And the reason I made this little headband is because I was asked to do a tutorial, a Zoom tutorial lesson kind of thing for beginner crochet. It's very simple. It's just single crochet. That's all it is. But like I said, it was a project that was made or meant for absolute beginner crochet. So I'll put it on. We'll see if it covers my ears. Okay, so it definitely covers my ears. It's definitely dense enough to keep my ears warm. And I kind of like the little flower, but I just pinned it on so you could put anything on there. You could make a crochet motif, or you could, you know, get a different kind of a pin or a different kind of a flower and put it on there. So I don't know. I think it's a pretty beginner friendly project, hopefully. Hopefully. So I actually did a tutorial video for it. I had to, right? So that could go up on YouTube as well if anybody's interested. It's super, super easy. So I used Loops and Threads Impeccable for this. And I want to say, what was the color name? Oh, it's right here actually. I know it was a sort of flower. I can't remember which one. Petunia maybe? Oh no, Soft Rose. Soft Rose. Impeccable. I like Impeccable. I really do. I heard a rumor. I don't know if it's true, but I heard a rumor that Michaels is gonna be like selling less yarn. I hope it's not true, because we lost our AC Moore, so we only have Joann's and Michaels, and we have Walmart, but our Walmart doesn't offer a lot either. So I'm hoping that it's just a rumor and that it's not true. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. Now I've got crazy, crazy hair. What else can I show you? If you saw Yarn Hookers live, you already saw my new hook and my new yarn. But maybe you didn't see Yarn Hookers this week, so I will show you. First, I'll start with the yarn. I'm gonna show you an up close at those colors. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. They're gorgeous. Especially that green. That's just my favorite color. I love that shade of green. But if you look, there's some yellows down in there too. Loving this. So this I got at my favorite yarn store called Sybil's. I did a yarn shop tour on Sybil's. I love Sybil's. It is my favorite yarn store. And Janetta there is wonderful. She's amazing. So I love to go see her. It's kind of far away for me. It's about 45 miles away. So it's not something that I do every day, but I do love going. So this is called Katia. And I believe it's Italian. Yes, made in Italy. So I love this yarn. There's no color name, which is always disappointing. I love to read the color names. But let me tell you what it's made of here. It is 53% wool and 47% acrylic. And I think this is going to be a winter hat for me. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's going to be super warm. And another thing I got when I went on my little trip to Sybil's, I had a gift card. My husband and my son got me a gift card for Christmas, so I got to use it. Anyway, it's this hook. First, I'll show you the hook. It is wood, and it is purple wood. That's the actual color of the wood. And it's got these really cool indentations. It's a 5.5, which is the hook size that I tend to use most frequently. And yeah, I'm eager to try it. I haven't tried it yet because I was finishing my projects, but now that I don't have any whips, I'm going to give something a try. I don't know, I might want to use a bigger hook size for my hat though, so we'll see. Sorry, my camera's a little tippy. Anyway, a really cool thing about this hook is it's made by the Purple Heart Needle Art Company. They are located in Massachusetts on Cape Cod. I want to say in Dennis, South Dennis, Massachusetts. Yep. And I'll read it to you. It says, Purple Heart Needle Art is a proud supporter of several military charities, including Operation Homefront. Your support helps us assist deserving veterans and their families. So I thought that was pretty cool too. So if you're interested in this, I did put a link up to the company in the Yarn Hookers Facebook group. But I can also show you a close up there. They do have their own website. It says www.accessoriesunlimitedinc.com. So yeah, pretty cool. I'm excited to try that. So that's what I've got going on here. I did go down to the post office yesterday and I got a post office box. I had a couple people asking to send me things, which is not necessary. You don't have to send me anything. Send me a little message in the comments and you'll make my day. But at any rate, yeah, I needed to set up a post office box. So that'll be down in my links too, if you're interested. Again, don't feel like you need to send me anything. I have plenty, especially when you just send me comments. That makes me so, so happy. But of course, I'll never turn down a card. Yeah, so not a lot else going on. I'm eager to start working on my hat. I think I'm going to use Ginger the Yarn Geeks pattern. She just did a new hat called the Bubblegum Ice Cream, the Bubblegum Ice Cream Beanie, which I actually tested for her. So that's this one. So I might make this hat using my new yarn. So that'll be cool. All right, I think that's all I've got for you today. I might just leave that on there because my hair is going to look really crazy when I take it off. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great, great day, and I will see you on Thursday. So take care. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget, look for the beauty in every day. Today, the beauty that I saw was watching the middle school kids at the school where I work climb to the top of the great big mounds of snow that, you know, when they clear out a huge parking lot, there's these huge mounds of snow. So we have those at the end of the parking lot where I work. And so the kids have been going out there and they climb to the top and they've made like these little slides. So it was really great to watch those kids come sliding down those great big mountains of snow, and I could hear them like screaming and laughing and having so much fun. So yeah, that was the beauty in my day, seeing that, and also seeing my husband come to pick me up. So look for the beauty in every day. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.